Alright, hello. I'm here. I've got this Frigidaire front load washer, and it's giving us a little bit of trouble every time we attempt to run the washer or do anything. Try plugging it in, and you get this. Try to push cancel the door. Nothing. Just starts right back up. I've seen somebody on here take a blow dryer and actually heat up this wiring harness. It's my opinion that there's probably a bad wire in this harness. I've taken out the control board, resoldered connections, checked the relays and whatnot, and put it all back together, and still we've got the error 90. So I'm going to try to, one at a time, I'm going to undo these wires, and I'm just going to wire them directly to each other, soldering, and then cover them up with some heat shrink tubing. Okay, so I've resoldered some of these wires, and it looks like, looking at the back of this connector, it is the yellow wire in the second column, second row of the wiring harness. I'd already tried the black, the white, and this large black wire here. Those, when I clipped and resoldered them, that didn't seem to make any difference. But I just checked the yellow wire, and it fired right up as soon as I plugged it in. Now, I'm not saying that this is the same wire it's going to be for everybody, but in my case, so far, this is the wire that was causing the problem. And I suppose that whenever he took the blow dryer and heated up this wiring harness, what he was really doing was heating up those pins inside the wiring harness and expanding them a little bit and making them just a little bit bigger so they'd fit a little bit snugger. But anyway, this is my fix for the Frigidaire error 90 issue. Good luck.